Hello mga kalogs, karaoke tayo habang nasa biyahe. Yay!
Sunshine.
Ah, nice, nice.
Yaman! Mulay mo. Para sa akin to ha.
Di ba kita mo mukha mo dito pag kumanta ka? Yan. Nice. Pang malakasan yan ah. Wala pang tagay to si ma'am pero nakantahan niya ba?
Hindi siya mo gawas day.
Change pin location, Patis.
Patis na agad na natin. Ano lang kasi yung intro niyan eh, pang matagalan.
Another head hangs slowly, child is growing.
Ganda ng ano mo, kuya. Speakers. Oo.
Pwede mag-red plus 5 lang yung ano? 5.
Goes outside
5 kilometers per hour.
But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their style and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Yeah, yeah.
Following na. Kamu na po.
Oh, ikaw naman. Tatapusin niyo yung kanta niyo bago kayo bumaba.
Dapat na. Naanap ka.
Lagi, may bukang wala. May bukang wala. Balik lang mo ito. Ay, ikaw na magbigay.
Na-enjoy niyo tong biyahe natin.
So, super enjoy po,
Super
kuya.
enjoy ko
Ayaw
yan.
naman namin bumaba eh.
Thank you so much po, kuya.
Oo.
I-forward mo na yan.
Kasi nga yung una, sobrang nabubuisit talaga ito yung sama namin.
Ah, bakit?
Hindi niya kami pinasakay, kuya. Kahit isa lang yung ano sobra.
Grabe naman.
Oo, talaga. Ay, si Mami. Mami!
Hindi ka marinig. Tapusin niyo muna yung kanta ha bago kayo bumaba.
My God!
Saan ba kayo?
Talaga wala. Dito lang.
Dito.
Oh, dito lang.
Yan.
Mami first.
In your head, they're still fighting with their slang and their bombs and their guns and their guns. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head?
Enjoy na, enjoy yan na! Enjoy na, enjoy yan!
Okay, thank you so much. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless.